you got some large bare spots in your yard and you need to fill them in? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how to lay sod in 3 basic steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the soil. You'll need to remove any existing grass, weeds, rocks, and any other debris from the area. Next, you'll need to loosen the soil by tilling or plowing the soil to a depth of about 4 to 6 inches. This helps with drainage and allows roots to penetrate easily. Then you'll need to level the ground by raking the soil to create a flat, even surface. Fertilizer can be spread to enrich the soil with nutrients and establish a strong root system. To finish off the prep, moisten the soil so that it's slightly wet. Now that you've prepped the area, let's get the sod. Be sure to get a sturdy truck to get as much sod as you need. 1 pallet gives you about 400 to 500 square feet of lawn. Now you're ready for step 2. Lay the sod. Begin laying the sod along a straight edge of your lawn, like a fence line or sidewalk. Next, carefully place the sod pieces on the prepared area, making sure they are laid flat against the soil. Then lay subsequent rows of sod in a brick-like pattern, offsetting the seams to create a strong, continuous surface. Ensure that the edges of the sod pieces are tightly butted together to prevent gaps. You can finish it off by using a utility knife to cut the sod around obstacles or to fit into curves and corners. Finally, step 3. Post-installation care. You'll need to water the sod thoroughly as soon as it's laid down. Continue to water the sod daily or as needed to keep the soil moist. 20 minutes twice a day would be the minimum amount for the next couple of weeks. Use a lawn roller to press the sod down into the soil, removing any air pockets. Avoid walking on the sod for at least a few weeks while it establishes roots. Once the sod has rooted about 2 to 3 weeks, mow it at a height of around 3 inches. One thing to keep in mind: the best time of year to sod is during the spring or early fall. Well, I hope this video helped you understand the process of installing a new lawn. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.